Hello everybody and welcome to the Bosh Kitchen. In today's video we're going to show you how to make a vegan version of Chinese lemon chicken. It's got fantastic texture, it's got incredible flavour, and it is the perfect thing for that Friday night fakeaway. First thing you've got to do is marinate your vegan chicken. Take some minced garlic, some minced ginger, a pinch of chili flakes, some soy sauce, and a splash of water. Give that a mix with your fork to make all of those elements come together. That smells amazing and it's going to marinate this vegan chicken absolutely perfectly. Mix your vegan chicken around in the marinade, making sure that all of the pieces are really well covered. Now, in order to get that flavour deep into those fibres of that vegan chicken, we need to let this marinate for a little while. So, as this marinates, we'll crack on with our lemon sauce. Pop a small pan on a medium heat. Add some agave syrup for sweetness, the juice of one big lemon, and the zest from that same lemon. Give that a quick stir to mix everything together. So that's simmered down quite a lot, and what I've got here is a cornstarch slurry, which is essentially water and cornstarch mixed together to thicken this sauce. There we go, oh yes. Give it a quick mix, and this will thicken really, really quickly, you'll see it. Right, so that's our lemon sauce done. It's got a really nice thick texture, it's obviously smelling really lemony, and now we just have to crack on with our chicken. Pop some cornstarch and some flour in a bowl. Give that a good mix so both of those flours are well mixed together. Now both of those flours are going to give our chicken its nice crispy coating. Mix that chicken around in those flours, making sure that they're really well coated. These are going to be so crunchy, so flavorful, and they're going to go perfectly with that fantastic lemon sauce. So there we go, that is our vegan chicken completely sorted. It is now ready to be fried. Warm some vegetable oil in a wok. Now as you can see, there's quite a lot of oil in this wok, and that's exactly as we need it, because what we're trying to do is deep fry those battered chicken pieces. And a good way to check if the oil is about right is to take a wooden spoon and pop the end of it in the oil. You'll be able to see little bubbles appearing on the end. And when those little bubbles appear, it means that the oil is ready to fry. We're going to transfer this chicken into the oil in batches. We're going to fry it so it's really nice and crispy. Move the chicken around in the oil with a wooden spoon. Just keep an eye on it. So once your chicken pieces are nice and golden and dark and crisp to the touch, it's ready. So take it out of the hot oil with a slotted spoon or a small sieve and transfer the chicken onto a plate that's been lined with kitchen roll so it sucks up all the residual fat. And now you just repeat that same process with the remaining chicken pieces. And that is our chicken completely done. It's super crispy, it's super crunchy, and now it's time that we marry this with the lemon sauce that we made earlier on. Transfer your lemon sauce into a large pan or a wok. Take your crunchy vegan chicken and pop it in the wok. Now all you got to do is turn that chicken around in the pan, making sure it's well covered in that lovely, sticky, citrusy, sweet sauce. Look at that, that just looks unbelievable. And that is our lemon chicken. Oh, looks incredible, and now it's high time that we serve it up with some rice. Look at that steaming rice. This is the perfect accompaniment for such a wonderfully crispy, lemony, chickeny dish. This is going to be an absolute rip-roaring ride for your taste buds. It's going to be delightful. Just look at the way it shimmers in the light. It's got that crispiness, it's got that stickiness, it's obviously got that citrusy flavour from that lemon, and oh my god, this is making my mouth water just watching this. It's absolutely delightful. And here we go. There it is. This is Chinese lemon chicken, and I'm about to give it a whirl for your viewing pleasure. Wow, it is absolutely amazing. The marinade for the chicken gave it a really nice salty note with a hint of chili, which is really, really nice because it complements that citrusy, sweet tang of the sauce perfectly. This is delicious. Now, I really love Chinese food, I really love crispy food, and occasionally I like a little bit of fake meat, and that is ticking all of those boxes. And if you feel the same way about the things that I've just said, you should absolutely give this a whirl because it is A grade, 10 out of 10, good quality vegan food. Now I'm gonna have to wrap this up because I need that in my mouth for my dinner. If you've enjoyed the video, please let us know in the comment section below. Give it a like if you haven't done already, and stick with us because trust me, we have got some outrageous vegan food coming your way really soon. So keep tuned, tell your mates, share the video, spread the vegan love, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye.